Technical analysis patterns say Bitcoin is bearish, but liquidation data actually points to Bitcoin heading to nearly $90,000 through the end of this week. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can profit no matter what happens, or at least give you the best possible chance of doing so. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. We have 284 successful trade calls with 0 losses in the last 25 months. You can view our performance record here at this link. It is a public ledger of our trades. It is incredible what we've been able to accomplish. You're going to see trade wins anywhere between 4 and 20%. I'm just going to keep scrolling and scrolling, guys. Crazy what we and our traders have been able to do at Trade Confident. Tomorrow we have a brand new future forecast coming out, and we have one from last Friday talking about why we are buying more gold and silver, the 8-to-1 ratio of a bull market versus bear market probability. Now, tomorrow's future forecast video is going to go over a lot more in depth the bullish and bearish scenarios and how we're managing risk, but I want to give you a sneak peek today. First things first, we are going to check out Bitcoin liquidation data. What you're seeing right here is a little bit of liquidation levels right around $81,000. But from there, we have strong liquidation, a lot of price action, likely to move anywhere between $84,000 and all the way up to $89,200. The brighter the color, I'm talking yellow right here, the more likely it is for the price to head that direction, because retailers are shorting the market like crazy right now. They are expecting the price to drop, and what whales like to do is actually hunt down liquidity. Whales can see where your liquidation levels are, and they will purposely liquidate you and other retail traders in order to send their own portfolios flying. Simple as that. So that's where the bullish scenario comes in. The bearish scenario happens with this bear flag pattern. We have the flagpole, we have the ascending channel line, and we have the breakout, and most often this would, at least based on traditional technical analysis, send us down to about the $67,000 level. We're also trading within a wedge pattern here, a descending wedge, which is going to be bullish. So I think more realistically, the price of Bitcoin, if it were to follow this bear flag pattern, would drop to around a level of $77,000. Right now, though, we're actually stalling at $81,000. We have a structure support right here that supports this level. Price versus while money flow is now in the middle of its chart with a value of about 43. Trades in favor is in the middle of its chart. And we do not have a buy or strong buy signal yet. This overall is fairly neutral. If whale money moves out of the market, we can expect the price to continue dropping. If whale money, however, moves into the market, based on those liquidation levels, we need to expect much larger price moves up. In fact, if liquidation levels play out and we hit the $88,000 to $90,000 level, this could be considered a breakout of this, the wedge pattern here. A breakout of the wedge pattern is extremely bullish. In fact, it could launch us all the way back up to $109,000. That is getting way ahead of ourselves, though. I don't want to talk about reaching previous all-time highs. We need to focus on the lower levels right now, because if you are to time this market correctly for the best possible entry, you need to pay attention to what's right here and now. Typically, when looking for an investment opportunity, we want to see price versus while money flow low, we want to see trades in favor low, and we want to see a buy or strong buy signal. And you're going to see multiple examples of this playing out where we get large moves up afterwards. Boom, boom, and boom. Big moves up after we get what we call that bullish trifecta. The bullish trifecta is actually what we've used to enter 284 successful trade calls. Now, as the price drops, if we can get that, this could be a much better potential entry. But for those of you looking to potentially profit off of the massive liquidation levels higher up, it may actually be more important to enter a portion now and set buy limits in case the price ends up dropping. Now, this is not financial advice at all. I'm not telling you whether or not you should enter a trade, but if you decide to, we're going to head up to the TC top and bottom finder, and we're actually going to set our risk management. Show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. We're kicking this up to a 6% take profit because it puts us just about at that $88,000 level. Go ahead and click OK. We're going to scroll out, and I'm going to remove the drawings just to make things a little bit more clear. Now, the way we invest and enter our trades is to split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first part goes into a market order, so you have money in the market. Second part goes to buy limit 1, and third part goes to buy limit 2. This is your main risk management. Once all buy orders are set up, we then set our take profit. Again, in this case, it's 6% above our market order. If the price moves up and we're able to earn profit, easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple our original investment, both significantly increasing the amount of money we have in the market, and each buy limit will drop our break even significantly, bringing us into profit faster. So all of this will serve to massively increase our profit potential. The combined entry strategy of the bullish trifecta and this risk management is the full reason our full success rate of 284 successful trade calls exists. Guys, it is no joke, and it's not just us making profits like this. If we head to the profits tab, this trader down here earned 103% in 34 days using this exact strategy. $2,000 to $10,000 in a month. Time and time again, you guys are spot on. First wins profit, paid first subscription. Our traders are crushing it at Trade Confident with these indicators. And if you want to snag them, you can get them for up to $550 off within our membership using the indicator discount codes. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. If you want to get started, links are in the description. Membership is the first link. Click that and it'll bring you to our sign up page where you're going to get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, and you're immediately going to get a $150 off coupon for our Pro Indicator Pack. Go and click Pro Indicator Pack. Once you've written that coupon code down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for the next future forecast episode tomorrow. Don't miss out.